So here's a quick tip. In the summertime when you're using your air conditioning, when you get home, turn off your air conditioner. When you park your car, you can leave it running, whatever, just turn off the air conditioner and then turn the fan on full blast when you're done at the end of the day, just to dry out that evaporator and get all the nasty, the smell, because it cools when you're done using the evaporator, the moisture gets trapped in there. You want to dry it out and make sure the air conditioning is off when you're doing that. That's why you get that nasty smell when you start the car up and start using the air conditioning.